If you've been on the hunt for the perfect frying pan, then you'll want to take a close look at this Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, this Granite non-stick skillet promises to simplify your cooking routine. Featuring superior non-stick technology, an ergonomic handle, and fast, even heating, this pan is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. Key features. The standout feature of the Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan is its superior granite non-stick coating. This innovative coating combines the aesthetic appeal of marble with the durability and performance of a traditional non-stick pan. The result? A smooth surface that ensures your food slides off with ease, whether you're frying eggs, cooking an omelette, or sautéing vegetables. Plus, the non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze, reducing the time and effort you would typically spend scrubbing your pan. When it comes to frying pans, the handle can make all the difference in your cooking experience. The Ecowin 8-inch frying pan features a soft Bakelite handle that is ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable grip for both left and right-handed users. The handle stays cool to the touch even when cooking at high temperatures, thanks to a metal sheath that protects it from the heat. This feature not only ensures comfort but also safety during cooking, giving you better control over your pan. The Ecowin non-stick frying pan isn't just easy to use, it's also designed to cook your food evenly and quickly. With its aluminum alloy body and joint reinforcement layers, the pan heats up in just 10 seconds and distributes heat consistently across the cooking surface. This ensures your meals cook perfectly every time without hot spots or uneven cooking. Whether you're searing meat, sautéing vegetables, or scrambling eggs, this pan guarantees even heat from edge to edge. One of the most practical aspects of this frying pan is its 8-inch size, which is ideal for preparing single servings or small meals. It's perfect for cooking fried eggs, omelets, pancakes, or even small portions of meat or vegetables. The compact size also makes it easy to store, fitting comfortably in small kitchens or compact cookware collections. Additionally, the pan's induction compatibility ensures that it works well on all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass, and induction. The Ecowin 8-inch frying pan isn't just versatile in its cooking, it's also a breeze to maintain. This pan is oven-safe up to 302 degrees Celsius, meaning you can easily transition from stovetop to oven for finishing off your dishes. Additionally, it's dishwasher-safe, so cleaning up after meals is hassle-free. For those times when you prefer to wash by hand, simply wipe the pan with a towel or rinse it with water. Either way, the non-stick surface makes cleaning quick and easy. As a health-conscious cook, it's important to choose products that are safe for both you and your family. The Ecowin non-stick frying pan is designed without harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFAS, or lead, ensuring that no harmful substances leach into your food while cooking. The pan is built to withstand high temperatures without compromising its integrity, giving you peace of mind as you cook. Why choose the Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan? When compared to other small frying pans on the market, the Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan excels in several key areas, including its superior non-stick coating, comfortable and cool handle, and quick, even heat distribution. Many smaller frying pans fail to heat evenly or require constant maintenance, but the Ecowin pan ensures that your cooking experience is as simple and efficient as possible. Whether you're cooking a single egg for breakfast or preparing a small dinner, this pan delivers consistent results every time. Who should buy the Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan? The Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan is perfect for single cooks, ideal for preparing smaller meals like fried eggs, omelets, and small portions of vegetables. Busy families, great for making quick breakfasts or simple meals during the week. Health-conscious cooks, with its PFOA-free, lead-free design. This pan is safe for everyday cooking and healthy meal preparation. Home chefs and novices, whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned pro, this pan makes your kitchen tasks easier and more enjoyable. Conclusion: if you're looking for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-clean frying pan, the Ecowin 8-inch non-stick frying pan is an excellent choice. Whether you're cooking a simple omelette for breakfast or a side of sautéed vegetables for dinner, this pan's superior non-stick coating, quick heating, and ergonomic handle ensure your cooking experience is smooth and stress-free. Plus, its PFOA-free design and easy maintenance make it a healthier and more convenient option for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.